Luke gave this to Sarah for her birthday, which she wore on the ring finger of her right hand, with the heart facing inwards. This means you have found someone special and made a commitment. After Sarah started to know Luke better, she thought he was too good to be true, being a kind, caring, sweet and genuine person with a heart of solid gold and a gentle soul.
Sarah,
To be my lawful wedded wife.
to be my lawful wedded wife.
On this day,
On this day,
I take you to be my partner for life.
I take you to be my partner for life.
Luke, before you came into my life,
Luke, before you came into my life,
I thought I would never find you.
I thought I would never find you.
I thought the emptiness that I felt inside,
I thought the emptiness that I felt inside
me would never go away.
would never go away.
Marriage commitment. They represent the ties that bind you together as husband and wife. They are an endless circle representing your marriage union, which shall continue in this life and the next. Nathan, do you have the wedding rings? Please pass Sarah's wedding ring to the community. I now declare them to be husband and wife. Luke, you may now kiss the bride.
When your legs don't work like they used to before, well, me, I fooled
Mr. and Mrs. Van Dyke, please put your hands together to congratulate the happy couple.
wanna tell you I am. So honey, now take me to
offering his services and the use of his Mustang today as our wedding car. It's a beautiful car and we appreciate it very much. Thank you. Thanks for getting us here safely too. And thanks for slowing down my sister, who we saw just pulling in as we were arriving. Good job. I'd like to thank my sister Teresa for taking on the challenge of making our wedding cakes, because she made 2 cakes for us today. You did an amazing job as always, and we can't thank you enough. It is gorgeous. Thank you. I'm tempted to keep the 1 cake for myself.